let's learn how to use triggers and actions to automate tasks in Shopify.io workflow. For, triggers are the events that start a workflow. Examples include this one: contact created, form submitted, appointment booked, or tag added. And actions are what happen after the trigger. So here we can add action. So we can it includes an SMS, an email, add tag, assign to user, or move to pipeline stage. And combine you can and here you can combine multiple actions in a sequence to build a fully automated process. So that's it.